We all know companies have already invested significantly in in-house and legacy applications over the years that have been successfully supporting the business. In recent times, stakeholders from the business and their counterparts in IT might be finding it challenging to deliver change and scale within acceptable timeframes. Hard choices have to be made. What do I keep? What do I retire? Very often, IT requires the coexistence of legacy and cloud applications. It involves creating solutions where legacy is made available to simulate and work seamlessly with scalable third-party products or even full stacks. The term cloud native is used to describe an environment that is scalable, usually containerized, permitting quick changes and payment depending on use. It goes beyond the location of assets such as applications, servers, or data in the cloud and depicts a flexible, dynamic way of working that welcomes, even fosters frequent change consistent with market needs. Torry Harris provides a legacy to cloud-native kit that includes a suite of tools, frameworks, and guides that help you progressively transition your applications to a cloud-native architecture. The kit consists of tools and processes that have been developed over years of service experience. The kit also provides code analysis tools and decision matrices to assist you in decomposition and migration of legacy. Remember, this kit accompanies our services offering and is not meant to be used in isolation. Migration is a contact sport. Let us see how this works in action.
Let us see how different products of the toolkit fit together. In this example, the company uses a legacy system based on AS400. To interoperate with modern applications, let us now API enable it. The kit includes several products that support and accelerate the development of cloud-native applications. Coupler is a containerized integration tool that allows visual modeling of data flows. Coupler lets you expose the data flows as APIs. Digit Market API Manager is a micro-gateway that securely exposes the APIs created by Coupler. AutoStub enables you to create mock APIs. In this demo, I'll show you how you configure mock APIs for a third-party backend. Mocks are essential in supporting the development of automated tests. A mature DevOps function requires automation throughout the development lifecycle. So, we use Automaton, which is a test automation tool. The legacy application manages the customer account data. It supports two protocols: file and message queues. Let us see how I use a combination of these tools for account creation use case. First, let us start with Coupler. It provides a visual editor to connect, transform, and combine disparate data points. It provides adapters to commonly used protocols and data formats. To connect to legacy AS400, we use the message queue and SFTP adapters. Once you define the flow in Coupler as an endpoint, you can securely expose the APIs through an API gateway. The gateway is part of our complete API management suite, which includes a developer portal, publisher portal, and an authentication server. You can deploy the gateway centrally, or as multiple instances of lightweight micro-gateways. For the use case, I use AutoStub to mock a third-party system. Coupler uses this mock as one of the steps to create the customer account. AutoStub automatically generates mock APIs based on OpenAPI specifications. The next tool in the cloud-native kit is Automaton, which is a visual tool to define your tests. It supports chaining APIs, validating results, and generating reports. It provides a step-by-step snapshot of the test run to help you visualize the activities. You can trigger the tests through the web UI, command line, or an API, which makes it easy to plug into a CI/CD pipeline. I'll now launch the tests and connect to the legacy system based on AS400. The legacy application processes requests from message queues. I'll navigate to the Messages menu and show you the request data received from Coupler through the micro-gateway. The Messages screen shows the list of received requests, including the content of each message. Coupler transformed the JSON data into a space-delimited string buffer, as required by the legacy application. Let us review the test result in Automaton on the status of customer account creation. The result dashboard displays the successful creation of the customer account.
Cloud native is not just about technology. It is a paradigm shift in the way your application is developed, deployed, and managed to ensure IT agility. The wide range of technology framework choices in the cloud-native world could be overwhelming. Like containers, microservices, micro-gateways, service meshes, immutable infrastructure, and declarative APIs. Torry Harris provides architecture consulting and development services, complemented by a set of frameworks and solution accelerators. Our cloud-native labs within the Center of Excellence provide comparison metrics, product selection parameters, architecture principles, and integration patterns. With this knowledge base, we help you select the right technology component that is aligned to your organization's IT strategy and skill base. We would be delighted to sit across from you face-to-face in a virtual meeting you can set up with our senior management who have been there, done that, to talk about your individual needs. Please email us at info@thbs.com.